In this video, I will show you how to change the icon of a place on Google Maps. So what you want to do is just go to the place that you want to change the icon for. And for example, I have this building right here, then go and click on it. What you will need to do first is, if you haven't saved it yet, just gonna save it. So click on save. And then after you have saved the place, then go and click on saved in the bottom. Now once you are in the saved section, just click new list and just go and give it a name for whatever you want. It can also just be something random, and then click on choose icon. Then here you can choose whatever icon you want, so it can be any emoji, for example this. Then click save. Now here just add the place that you want, so add the one that I just created, and now you can see it has this icon right here that I have just created. So that's how to change the icon of a place on Google Maps. If you want to have a lot of them, just create a lot of these lists. I can also, for example, click on this one, then click save, and then save it to, for example, this list, and click done. And then for me, it will then have that icon, as you can see right there. So now you know how to change the icon of a place on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.